Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano S. First, connect your device to your computer with the USB cable. You'll then set a secure PIN code, which is crucial for protecting your assets. Next, you must write down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. This initial setup ensures your crypto is secure. After connecting, install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. This software is your gateway to managing your crypto. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to initialize your device. A critical step is confirming your 24-word recovery phrase. This ensures you've accurately transcribed it, providing a reliable backup should you ever need to restore your wallet. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like keeping your crypto secure, you want your car to smell great. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With your device set up, you can now add various cryptocurrency accounts through Ledger Live. To send crypto, simply select the asset, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Always double-check the address before confirming. For receiving, generate your unique Ledger wallet address within the app and share it with the sender. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.